Good morning, my dear children. Take out your English 2 book, page number 24, chapter 4, Grandma's Vegetable Garden. As yesterday I gave you to do reading practice of this chapter, and I hope you have learned this word one by one. So today I will explain you now. Okay, today I will explain you the chapter Grandma's Vegetable Garden. So let's start. One day Grandma tells Asa, please bring some vegetables from the garden. Asa takes a big basket and goes out. She brings green peas and purple brinjals. So you can see in this picture, who is she? She is Grandma and she is Asa. Okay, she is Asa and she is Grandma. And see, what does Grandma tells Asa? Grandma tells Asa to bring some vegetables from the garden. Grandma, she tells Asa to bring some vegetables from the garden. Okay. Now Asa takes a big basket and goes out. Now Asa, she takes a big basket and goes out. She brings green peas and purple brinjals. What did she bring? She brings green peas and purple brinjals. Okay. Grandma says, thank you, Asa. Can you please bring some carrots? We can have some hot soup. Now after that, again Grandma tells Asa to bring some carrots from the garden. To bring some carrots from the garden. Asa goes out. She goes out in the garden again. She looks everywhere. She cannot see any carrot. So Asa goes to the garden. She looks everywhere, but she did not find the carrots. Okay, she did not find the carrots. Asa goes to Grandma. She says, I cannot find any carrots in the garden. Grandma says, there are many carrot plants in the garden. Look carefully. So Asa again goes to Grandma and tells her that she cannot find any carrots in the garden. Grandma tells her that there are many carrot plants in the garden. Look carefully. Grandma tells her to look carefully in the garden. There are many carrots plants. Asa goes to the garden again. Now Asa, she goes to the garden again to find the carrots. Fluffy, her cat, goes with her. Asa looks everywhere, but she cannot find the carrots. So again Asa goes to the garden again, and at that time Fluffy, her cat, see, Fluffy, her cat also goes with her in the garden. Okay. Asa looks everywhere, but she cannot find the carrots. Now Asa looks everywhere in the garden, but still she cannot find the carrots. Okay. Suddenly she hears a loud meow meow. She sees Fluffy digging the ground. She goes close to Fluffy. Suddenly what did she hear? She hears a loud meow meow. She sees Fluffy digging the ground. See, this is Fluffy, her cat. This Fluffy made a loud noise, meow meow. And what did she see? She sees Fluffy digging the ground. Now Fluffy is digging the ground. She goes close to Fluffy. And what does she see? She sees big orange carrots in the ground. Well done, Fluffy, says Asa happily. And at that time when Asa went near to Fluffy, she saw a big orange carrots. Okay, she found a big orange carrots, and Asa thanks her cat Fluffy. Well done, Fluffy, says Asa happily, and Asa took out the carrots and she went back to grandma and she gave all the carrots. Okay, so the chapter is completed. So it is just said here that there are two people, grandma and Asa. Grandma tells Asa to go to the garden and bring some vegetables, and Asa brings some vegetables also. Okay, and after that grandma tells her to bring some carrots also. But next time when she goes to the garden again, she cannot find any carrots in the garden. Okay, she cannot find any carrots in the garden. But she goes to the garden again. At that time, Fluffy, her cat, also goes with her. But still she was not able to find any carrots. But suddenly she hears a loud meow meow sound. Her cat Fluffy made that. Why? Because the cat found the carrots. So Asa thanks her cat Fluffy for finding carrots. Means the Fluffy helped her to find the carrots, and Asa thanks her. Okay, so the chapter is only this much. So the chapter is completed. So we will not do any writing work today. Okay, I'll just this writing work we'll do in the next class. Okay, you will just go through these new words. See, everywhere, carefully, digging, ground. You will learn these new words. Okay, everywhere, carefully, digging and ground. So the work I am giving you today is you will learn these 4 new words. Okay, you will just only learn these new 4 words. Okay, so for today only this much. Thank you.